Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we are back on a pretty important car to our family. My sister's 67 Mustang. My dad bought it for her back in 1998 for her birthday. Few mechanical things to it this go around. Killer disc brakes on the back, Willwood, slotted and drilled rotors on the front, factory dual piston calipers. Kept that because that stops great. And we did a little under the hood work. Aluminum heads, Flow Tech. It's just a super nice driver. New master booster setup. Aluminum radiator. I'm gonna pull it into the shop and we can talk more about it there. Mustang inside. We're going to jack it up and take the wheels off. We're going to color match the front caliper to the Willwood caliper in the back, red on red. And we're going to prep it. We're not painting it. We're doing a liquid wrap on it. It's the best bang for the buck. It's pretty neat. This what is this, tannish brownish gold color is actually the original paint. Obviously primer spots that our dad did back in the 90s with some nice lacquer primer. Who remembers that? Oh man, that stuff smelled so good when it hit the air. And the plan here is to have a really cool bang for the buck driver. It's always been a driver. There's really no desire by my sister to have a full show paint job on it. She's got dogs and pets, and she likes to cruise it. She likes them to jump in and go for a ride. Check out the interior. Original. I got the door panels off already, but seats, everything in here is original. We put a new steering wheel on, and obviously an old school style tack to keep it cool. But that's what she wants. She wants to be able to have her dogs jump in, go for a cruise. You know, new interior, and one of my paint jobs That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work to maintain, and you got to be careful all the time. And it's just a different animal. It's a different Mustang. You know what I mean? So we're going to take some more of the trim off, door handles. We're not taking off this trim because you'd have to pull the fender. And we're going to keep the hood script and trunk script on, and we're really painting it out. It's going to be a liquid wrap red color. I'll show you that. And we're basing it with a metallic dark gray, and some of the miscellaneous trim and bumpers and grill we're going to paint out in that gray. So it's going to be gray trim and red dip. And I will open up that can and show you what we're going for. It's great bang for the buck. To me, there's no point in doing a quickie paint job, because when you do want the nice paint job, it's a lot of work to take off paint work. Dip, liquid wrap, it peels. So if she changes her mind in 5 or 6 years and wants the killer paint job, this product will just peel off. And it's not like a stick-on vinyl wrap where there's, sticky glue everywhere and heat gun marks and razor blade marks. This stuff sprays on, peels off. It's the best. Like I said, it's the best bang for the buck. So we'll show you the color right now. This is the product right here. DipYourCar.com. This is the Pro Line series. Let me open this up. It comes ready to spray. There's no mixing. Super easy. This is going to be the color. Look at that. Look at that. Metallic. Red with a gold metallic. It's killer. And we're doing a gray metallic base. So it'll have some really good flop to it. All right, I want to take it out in the sun so you can see this pop out in the sun with all this flake and the red. Oh man, come on now. Sun. It's always sunny in Arizona except today. Here it is without the sun, which is what it was in the shop. This is it for real now. Sun's back out. Fighting the clouds here. Look at that. That's gonna really bring out the body lines. It's super cool color with that flake. It's almost like a bronzy red. All right, cool. Show the Durango. That's got liquid wrap on it. Sun dipped away. This is what was on her Mustang, this copper color, and the flop on that in the sun was ridiculous. Ridiculous. That's the backside. So when you peel it, it peels off in chunks. It's super easy, and it's not sticky on the backside like a vinyl wrap. So this is going to be her second dip color. That red is going to be awesome against the gunmetal gray. Mustang is prepped as far as we are going to prep it. Just blasted some primer on various spots where the original paint was super thin and there was like just real small amount of surface rust. So sanded that down, threw some primer on. There was some chips that I sanded out, just put some primer on. The cool thing about the liquid wrap is it's really no prep to the surface. You just wash it with some soap and degrease it, and it's ready to go. You don't have to sand anything. Pieces, tons of pieces, ready to go. This first row will be red to match the car. Bumpers will be the gunmetal gray, grill, mirror, door handles, And the trim pieces on the table here. Gunmetal gray. All I gotta do now is suit up and start blasting.
Here comes my Betty sister-in-law. Betty.
That looks mean.
Oh, here she goes. I get to the first look.
In the sun for the first time. Ooh.
Look at that across the hood.
USA bread. Stank.
Carmine red plasti-dip, anthracite gray base, the trim anthracite gray, got the new grille and lights in it, got the headlight delete. We're waiting for the LED lights to get here. Look at that when it hits the sun. Got a goldish pearl in the red. Hound. Pretty nice makeover. That is going to be pretty much it for the outside of my sister's 1967 Mustang. We may do some suspension upgrades, but I like the way it sits right now. Maybe half an inch lower in the front. Push the limits of tire clearance. Let me know what you guys think on the plasti-dip on old schools. I think it's a great alternative. Great alternative to you know, a really nice paint job that you end up being afraid of driving, which happens a lot. We've done a lot of killer paint jobs and they end up not getting used. Everyone's got their own tolerance level of comfortability. Me, I like to drive them. If you're comfortable driving a $50,000 paint job, drive it. If you're comfortable with plasti-dip, having a good time, and not worrying about paint, I say dip it, liquid wrap it, whatever you want to call it. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.
Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. Crash really does appreciate it. We are really interested in what you think of the liquid wrap. Have a great day, everyone.